Stop raising this out. This spray is shocking people with unbelievable hair growth. This rosemary, cloves, ginger and green tea mix is going to help you to solve your hair problems faster. Stop that shedding, breakage, grow your hair fuller. Use it daily without raising it out and watch your hair transform. Let me show you step by step on how to prepare this recipe and how to use it to achieve that best results. So if you are ready to grow your hair, please watch this video to the end because this particular recipe will help you a whole lot. Okay, our first ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary open hair follicles for rabbit hair growth, boost blood circulation to wake up sleeping roots, reduce inflammation that causes thinning hair and shedding hair. So I use 1 tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. Our second ingredient is green tea. Green tea block the hormones that cause massive hair fall, reduce breakage and split ends, make your hair shaft stronger, smoother and shiner. I make use of 1 bag of my green tea. Please use any type of green tea you have. If you have the leaf green tea, any type of green tea you have, please feel free to make use of it. Our third ingredient is cloves. Cloves will instantly strengthen weak, breaking strands, thicken edges and bald spots, fight scalp fungus and itching scalp. There are more benefits in all these ingredients. Cloves is indeed a game changer. Honestly, cloves will never disappoint you if you use it in the right way. It will help you to achieve a lot of your hair goals and solve a lot of your hair problems. There is no joke. So I'll be scooping out 1 tablespoon of my cloves into my jar. Now our least but not the last of the ingredients is ginger. Ginger is one of the strongest ingredients you can ever put on your scalp. It wakes up dead follicles, especially around the tiny edges and bald spots. It hits the scalp natural, pull blood straight to your roots so your hair starts growing faster than normal. If your hair keep breaking, ginger stop that immediately by strengthening the strands from the roots. It also destroys the bacteria and fungi that cause dandruff, itchiness and scalp odors for excessive shedding. Ginger repair weak, thinning hair and make it thicker, fuller and stronger. It is amazing for people with bad hair loss because it helps new hair come out faster. And the best part is ginger supercharge other ingredients like rosemary, cloves and green tea, making the whole spray work even faster. It leaves your hair soft, shiner and smooth, easy to manage while rebuilding your roots from the inside and outside. So what I did is to slice my ginger into a small cube. When you mix rosemary, cloves, ginger and green tea together, they stop shedding, thicken tiny areas, boost hair growth, repair weak hair and keep your scalp healthy all at the same time. So next thing I did now is pour in my hot water. You can also boil this, okay, if you want to use it immediately. Boiling method is more faster to use than infusing method, but I choose to do my infused method. So I will keep it aside in a cool dark place to infuse for 12 hours. So after 12 hours, this recipe have released their nutrients into the water, making this water that spray solution you have been looking for. This spray is very powerful, very potent, very strong and very effective. There's no joke. Do not lay down on this spray because this spray is a solution to that your hair problems and also is a prayer answer to your hair goals. Okay, So after using my shifter and my bowl to collect the spray, next thing now I will transfer it to my spray bottle for easy application. Voila, our powerful solution spray is ready. Our prayer answer solution spray is ready. Okay, so now the most important thing now is how to apply it on your hair so that you can achieve that good result with this spray, because this spray is banger. There's no joke. Okay, so now let me demonstrate to you on how to use this particular recipe to achieve your hair goals. First, you need to spray this direct on your scalp, okay, your edges, your bald spots and the length of your hair. Please make sure you massage your scalp very well, like 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, the most important thing you need to know on this spray, you don't need to wash this spray out on your hair. If you want to get that faster result with this particular spray, allow it to sit on your hair for that best result. And the sweeter part of it, you can use this every day or every other days for that best result. If you can be consistent with it for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, even 1 week, you will see the magic happen on your hair. But while using it every day or every other days on your hair, make sure you massage your scalp and also make sure you see in the moisture by using a very good leave-in conditioner and your butter. Then use oil to oil your scalp. You know we are into winter. Okay, make sure you protect your hair very well so that your hair will not break or you will not lose the length you are growing so far. Okay, and also so that you not complain that in this particular recipe that making your hair to dry out. So make sure you give yourself a very good moisturize, okay, so that you can get that good result with this particular recipe, because this particular recipe have proved to help you to grow your hair, solve those hair problems, thicken up your hair, stop that shedding, breakage, hair fall and so many of them. That is no joke. So if you can be consistent, this spray will shock you. You will start seeing less shedding in days, thicker edges, stronger roots, faster hair growth, reducing breakage, softer and healthy hair. There's no joke. This spray is a game changer indeed. Okay, and your hair will not stop growing once you keep using this. Okay, this spray, like as I said, is a prayer answer and also is a solution to those your hair problems. So please let me know where you're watching me from. Okay, and also let me know, have you tried this type of spray before on your hair? And also if you have not, I will encourage you to give it a try and come back and share your testimony with us. Okay, I can't wait to hear from you guys. I have a bonus tip to give to you for those that are serious to grow their hair and for those that will try this recipe. Whenever you use this recipe, make sure you massage your scalp, make sure you cover up your hair, and also do not use it in a cold form. If you can do this, cover your hair like 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Remove whatever you're using to cover your hair. Allow your hair to air dry. If you can do this every time you use this spray, I kid you not, the result we got in only 7 days, you will be shocked at the result. There is no joke. A trial will convince you. Just try to follow the instruction I give out in this video and you'll be very, very happy you come across this video. So if you be trying this spray, comment I am trying this and I will be very happy to get that comment. Okay, because this particular recipe is tested and trusted. It have helped thousands of people to grow their hair and I'm one of them, and also people around me, it have helped them to regrow their hair. There's no joke. Okay, so give it a try and you'll be very happy that you do so. Okay, so guys, I hope you find this video very helpful. I have come to end of today's video. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe and share for more great contents like this. Okay, and please make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all so that you always notify whenever I drop amazing videos like this. Okay, I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Compliment of the season to you all. Bye.